Yo, my name's Kev, and if you're watching this, your name might be Chad. Or maybe you thought our installer was a virus, because Windows Defender wants us to spend money. So you want to just build it yourself. I updated our githubs. Let's back up. Okay? My name's Kev, and this is Gary. He's this one line. It's a function of music gen. Shout out to the Zuck, dude. Thanks for he didn't do that function at all. It was some lone Chad in GitHub issues, I believe, like last September. But I saw that function and I was like, yo, let's not just use that to extend music gen's audio. Why don't we just feed it our beats and see it like what, because that's the thing about music. It's all kind of the same. So if you want to build it yourself, there's two repos. Okay, there's the back end here, and there's only a couple files that you got to worry about. This is going to be an episode of like what exactly not to do on GitHub. This repo has a bunch of files that are unimportant. We'll get into what I'm real bad at it. This backend there's two apps in here, but this is just about gary4live. You're going to want to rename this to docker-compose.1. You rename this to something else if you want, or just delete it. But yeah, you rename this to docker-compose.yml, and then you go into your terminal. You do that, and then you're good. You'll start seeing stuff like this. It's my favorite thing to do in the world. So anyway, where was I? It's dope. Oh yeah, dude. Look, the A's. Look at all that silence. Somebody's buffer wasn't full, you know what I'm saying? We got this server running, but yeah, if you're Chad enough, you could do it locally. I think, it'll run on a 1060. Anyway, that's the back end, okay? We got to get into the front end now. These are the two important things. If you save this folder to somewhere else, you're gonna have to change these hard-coded paths, okay? So I couldn't figure out dynamic file paths, okay? So let's say you just get cloned the G4L folder. Like you want it, just leave it here, unless you know all the. Anyway, you would go to this folder and then you would type boom, and then you can do this. Now you don't need our installer, and you can actually see if anything's going wrong in here. Because, there might be some edge cases. I don't know. I'm going to show you a couple right now that you want to avoid, okay? That's how you check that it's working. Shout out to the Safaccord Community Sample Pack that's free. So yeah, dope. So as you can see, I just got, this is your folder, and these are your two files. Don't play with these. Do not rename a random file that's 6 minutes long to mybuffer.wave. Shout out to Adam. Thank you for the edge case. If it ever gets stuck at 80%, you're having permissions issues, and that happens on Mac a lot, like this series, where edge cases. Macs for Live's having some issue with rewriting those files, so that's where you would zone in on fixing it. The other thing you do not want to do not drag this into here, okay? It breaks it. And that's about it. That's the only ones I can find. Maybe you guys will find more. this has been Edge Cases with Kevin. Next week, we'll do Goon Cases. Commented out electroncommunication.js. Those are the two important ones. There will be a repo for the Mac one, because the file paths all changed, because, Steve was like, yo. Yeah, I'm going to jam out with this for a minute, actually, because I wasn't satisfied. What are we doing with this camera? Like, this is not... Oh, now it's upside down. Dope. Dope, dude. Anyway, yeah, it runs on Mac now. It's just pretty sweet. I can hear that. It's got that. It's got the bass, dude. I have to clean her up. See, you can drag that in. Check this out. We're going to try it. I think it worked. Yeah. That's how you play the game, dude.